Have you ever thought you were eating healthy, but your body was getting weaker? You eat regular meals. You choose nutrient-dense foods. You drink milk every day, eat fruit, even whole grains. But every morning, your legs feel heavier. The stairs seem taller. Sitting down and standing up takes away your momentum. No one tells you this. After the age of 60, not only bones but also muscles are silently disappearing. That condition is called sarcopenia, muscle loss due to aging. And the scariest thing is, it happens silently. Painless. Symptomatic. Until one day, you slip and fall in your own home. Think you're protecting your health by eating healthy? You might be doing the opposite. Not all foods that are good for 30-year-olds are also suitable for 60-year-olds. In today's video, I'll explore 7 foods that are scientifically proven to help fight muscle loss, maintaining muscle strength and keeping your legs strong. No need for gym, no need for expensive supplements. Just adjust your daily menu wisely. Stay until the end of the video, because food number 7 will surprise you. A simple dish that most people forget, but is a treasure for healthy old age. Before going to the main part, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. 1. Instant porridge, light on the stomach but makes the legs weaker over the years. You know the feeling, after a restless night's sleep, waking up a little tired, all you need is a bowl of instant porridge to feel comfortable. Light on the stomach, easy to swallow, convenient. For many people over 60, instant porridge has become a companion for rushed mornings or days when the body is weak and tired, but hidden behind that convenience is a silent trap for your feet. Most packaged instant porridges sold in the United States are protein deficiency, almost no fiber, and contain sky-high sodium content. For the elderly, eating this dish regularly not only causes salt to accumulate in the body, causing water retention and high blood pressure, but also causes muscles do not have enough raw materials to regenerate and maintain. Have you ever found yourself? Stand up from a chair and hold on to the armrest. Tired of climbing a few stairs? Or just a light walk and your calves are tingling? It's not just normal aging. Chances are your muscles are gradual loss of strength due to long-term lack of protein and micronutrients, something instant porridge can't make up for. So what can you try instead? A bowl slow cooker oatmeal, more boiled egg or a few slices grilled chicken breast, with a little greens or chopped almonds, not only light on the stomach but also provides enough nutrients to nourish healthy muscles. Small changes to your breakfast today can help you stand stronger tomorrow. Stay put, because the second food is a seemingly good dish that causes knee pain for many people after the age of 60. 2. Canned fruit juice, sweet but makes muscles weak. A glass of cool orange juice, with a sweet taste, makes you feel refreshed. Many older people start their day with a box of juice because they believe it is a quick and healthy way to supplement vitamins, but is this convenience really as healthy as you think? Take a close look at the back of the box. Most canned juices, even the 100% pure ones in American supermarkets, are completely stripped of fiber and added refined sugar or preservatives, with every sip absorbed directly into the blood, causing a sudden spike in insulin, then a rapid drop, leaving you fatigue, dizziness and muscle weakness in the next few hours. At age 60 and older, the body's ability to regulate blood sugar has been slower, which prevents your muscles from getting the proper nourishment they need. When your blood sugar fluctuates constantly, you may notice calf pain even though I'm not doing anything heavy. Feeling of joint pain when standing for a long time. Slight shaking of hands and feet when mealtime is approaching. It's not an age error, it's consequences of a habit thought to be good. So what to drink to be both delicious and healthy? Try it: fresh orange juice squeezed at home, leaving the fiber-rich orange pulp. Add a spoon of soaked chia seeds or used with whole grain bread with almond butter, help stabilize blood sugar, nourishes muscles regularly throughout the morning. Sometimes, a small change in the kitchen is the first step to help your feet become more steady every day. Stay tuned, because the third dish is often included in breakfast but is draining your strength without you even knowing it. 3. white bread, soft, easy to eat, but silently erodes leg strength. There is probably nothing more convenient than a slice of crisp white toast, spread with butter or jam, and eaten with a cup of morning tea. For older people, white bread is a popular choice because soft, easy to chew, does not cause bloating. But what few people expect is that slice of bread is slowly draining the strength from your legs. White bread is made from refined flour, that is, bran and germ removed, which contain fiber, vitamins and minerals. The result? A food rich in simple starches but poor in nutrients, causing blood sugar to rise and then fall rapidly. The elderly's body has difficulty maintaining stable blood sugar levels, leading to feelings of exhausted after breakfast. Knees are sore when going to the market or getting in the car. Muscles are less elastic, prone to cramps in the afternoon. Worse, eating white bread regularly also increases silent inflammation in the body, affecting muscle groups that support the knee and hip joints, the most important places to maintain stability. So what to replace it with? Switch to whole wheat bread or oat bread, contains fiber, protein and B vitamins, supporting muscle regeneration. Served with boiled eggs, salmon or avocado will help you have a delicious breakfast, light on the stomach but still energizes the body for a healthy day. Getting old doesn't have to mean getting weak, if you choose the right muscle-nourishing foods every day. Stay with me, the fourth dish is a food that is considered super nutritious, but makes many people over 60 complain of sore legs and tired knees. 4. Bacon, delicious but a silent enemy of muscles. There is no denying the wonderful feeling of waking up in the morning, the smell bacon, the aroma wafts through the kitchen. Biting into a crispy, rich bite, you feel satisfied, like a small reward for a new morning. For many older people, bacon is a familiar dish, easy to prepare and delicious. But behind that deliciousness, is a silent risk to muscle health. Bacon contains a lot of very high in sodium and nitrite preservatives, easy to cause chronic inflammation, especially in people over 60 years old. Chronic inflammation is the cause off-body has difficulty synthesizing protein, leading to gradual muscle loss without anyone noticing. You may not see it right away, but over time you will realize. Back pain when standing to wash dishes. Calves gradually shrink even without losing weight. Knee pain when getting out of bed in the morning. In addition, the amount high saturated fat in bacon also affects blood circulation, reducing blood flow to the muscles, causing muscles to recover more slowly and become weaker after each exercise. So which is the better choice? Instead of bacon, try thinly grilled chicken breast, tuna or pan-fried tofu. They're still high in protein, easy to digest, and non-inflammatory, perfect for preserving muscle as you age. Pair them with greens and a slice of whole wheat bread for a delicious, energizing breakfast. Treat your body like a temple, and start by choosing healthier foods every morning. Stay tuned, number 5 is a very common vegetable that could be preventing you from recovering your muscles without even realizing it. 5. Raw spinach, good for you, but not necessarily good for your body. You may have thought, eating vegetables is always good for you. And that's true, but how you eat your vegetables is what matters, especially after age 60. Many older Americans start lunch with a salad filled with fresh vegetables, including spinach, raw spinach, thinking it's a superfood. Soft, easy to chew, non-greasy, sounds perfect, right? But here's something that few people notice, raw spinach is high in oxalates, a compound hinder the body's absorption of calcium and iron, two extremely important factors for strong muscles and strong bones and joints. When you eat too much raw spinach for a long time, especially if it is not prepared properly, you may see legs get tired more easily after each walk. Crackling or dull pain in the knee. Often have mild cramps at night. Also, raw spinach does not provide easily absorbable iron, while people over 60 are often at risk of mild anemia. As a result, muscles weaken because not being nourished with enough oxygen and nutrients. So what to do instead of quitting? Don't worry, spinach is still a great vegetable. If you cook lightly, such as stir-frying, boiling, or steaming. Cooking helps reduce oxalate levels and increases iron and calcium absorption. Combine with a little olive oil and garlic, you will have a vegetable dish that is both delicious and friendly to muscles and joints. Let vegetables be your true companion, not the reason your legs are weak. Stay tuned. Number 6 is a popular snack that, if left unchecked, could be slowing down your post-workout muscle recovery. 6. Salted roasted nuts, small, crunchy, but may be eroding your muscles every day. Have you ever watched TV and sipped a little salted peanuts or spiced cashews? Small, convenient, crunchy, these snacks are easy to eat by the handful without realizing it. For many older Americans, this is a seemingly harmless habit, sometimes referred to as healthier than candy. But the truth is, most off-packaged roasted nuts sold in supermarkets all contain very high salt content, and is often fried in industrial oil. This type of oil is not good for the heart and can cause silent inflammation that lasts in the body. For people over 60, chronic inflammation affects not only the joints but also impair muscle regeneration. Have you ever felt pain in the calf when taking long steps? Hands shaking slightly when carrying heavy bags? Tired even after doing simple housework? These signs may originate from diet high in sodium and bad fats, causing the muscles difficult to recover and getting weaker, even though you still eat enough meals. Simple and effective alternative. Please select unsalted seeds, dry roasted or raw seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds rich in omega-3, vitamin E and magnesium, which are good for muscles and the heart. Eating a small amount every day, about a handful, in the morning or between meals will help you recharge without worrying about inflammation or muscle weakness. Don't let snacking become a barrier to an active old age. Stay a little longer. The last dish is familiar to every family, but it has a hidden trap that makes the body weaker month by month. 7. Crispy fried chicken, the national dish that causes muscle weakness that you don't expect. There is no denying the appeal of a piece. Crispy fried chicken, golden brown crust, fragrant, crunchy when bitten, inside is soft, rich meat. In many American families, this dish appears regularly for lunch, dinner, or as a quick snack when busy. For the elderly, chicken is considered good for muscles, so many people still eat with the mentality of eating chicken is healthy. But the sad truth is, the new processing method is decisive. When chicken is deep fried, especially in oil that has been repeatedly fried, trans fat is formed. This substance not only causes chronic inflammation but also insulin metabolism disorders, causing the muscles difficulty absorbing the energy and nutrients needed to maintain strength. Have you noticed lately? Just walking a short distance and your legs are tired? Standing to cook for 15 minutes causes back pain and heavy knees? Or wake up feeling like your body has no strength? That could be signs that your body is being affected by eating habits that contain a lot of sugar. So what is the solution? You absolutely can grill or pan fry chicken breast with a little olive oil, add some pepper, garlic and herbs. The dish both retains good protein for the body, and reduce bad fat and prevent inflammation effectively. Chicken is still your good friend, if you choose to treat it the right way. And if you find the 7 dishes above frighteningly familiar, then maybe it's time to start adjusting to protect leg strength from today. If you've made it this far, it means something great. You still want to change, and you still have time to do it. 60 is not the end. On the contrary, it is a new chapter, where you have enough experience to understand what your body needs, and also have the patience to make lasting changes. The good news is, you don't have to change everything in one day, just choose one better breakfast every morning. Add one small healthy habit every week. Your body is still listening. Every meal you eat more carefully. Every time you stand up and walk instead of sitting down. Every time you take time to care for yourself, even for a few minutes, you are sending a message of love to the body that has been with you for decades. If you found this video helpful, please click like to support us, comment, share your experience, or let me know what topic you want Fook to do next. And don't forget click subscribe channel. Don't miss out on these easy to follow, everyday health tips, especially for people over 60 in the United States. You deserve to be healthy, strong, and vibrant, no matter what age you are. See you in the next video, where we will take care of old age together in a smart, warm and loving way.